Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach how to make this aluminium wall hanging. Come on, let's start it. For this wall hanging we need a glue, scissors, A4 sheet and aluminium foil. We should fold it like this and a black chart. For the first step we need scissors, A4 sheet half, pencil and aluminium foil. First we need to draw a shape of a leaf. Like this way we need to cut the leaf shape like this. By folding the A4 sheet into two halves, and we need to cut. For the second step we need pen, the shape of which we have cut from the A4 sheet, and aluminium. With the help of pen we need to draw the shape of the leaf on this aluminium. We can use pen or marker. For this second step we need to fold this aluminium like this. And then we should start drawing. Like this way we need to mark the leaf design. See, like this. See? Like this way we need to mark. For the third step we need a scissors to cut it out. See, like this way we need to cut it out. We can split this. Wait, I will show you. See, like peeling a tattoo, it will come like this. See, like this way we can peel it out. See, now I have more number of aluminium foil. Because of we have folded that aluminium foil so that we can get this many petals. For the third step we need a black chart, glue, like this glue, and this foil petals. First we need to cut a round with the help of this waste aluminium foil part. See, like this way we need to cut a round from the aluminium foil. See, like this way we need to start sticking. Like first we need to complete full flower, then one each gaps we need to fill it. I'll show you. Like this way we need to complete it. See, finally I completed. Like this way we need to complete. And again I will just say a recap how to do this. First we need to stick that round by cutting it. Then we should stick it like a flower, and at the center we have a space, right? From there we need to stick another leaf, so we can continue like this, so it will be completed. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.